titty about Jack in the air. Two American kids growing up in the heartland. Jack's gonna be a football star. Diane Zipotan backseat of Jackie's car. Sucking on chili dogs outside the Tasty Breeze. Diane sit on Jackie's lap, he got his hand between her knees. Jackie say, hey yeah, let's run up behind the shady trees. Dribble up those Bobby Brooks, let me do what I please. Say oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. Say oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrills of living is gone. They're all gone.